Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I know I normally don't make craft haul videos, but the items that I'm going to share with you that are new to my stash are items that I use on the cards that I'm going to share with you at the end. So, card share video too. So let's get started. So I was watching Lynn the Gift Diva, and she was showing some different items that she purchased from Temu, and I was really interested in them, so I went on there to check them out. So first up are these, they're calling them floral scents, and they're different colors of clear, kind of like acetate stickers. They actually have a sticky back, and they come in a pack of 6, I think, these. And let me share with you what they look like. They're super pretty. And different floral designs. And they have adhesive backs. So I will share with you that the adhesive backs are really hard to get the peeling, you know, the covering off. But you can, just takes patience, which I figured that out. So I picked these up from Temu. And there are 5 designs of each item, of each, you know, sticker. And then, so it's 2 of each, so you get 10. So use those. And then I used these same type of acetate stickers. I think this was one set. Super pretty colors, just really interesting designs. And I really, really like them. So pick those up. And then also new to my stash is this stamp and die set from Spellbinders. It's called Propagation Garden Sentiments, and the little sentiments on this stamp set really fit my cards perfectly, so I'll share that with you in a moment, a card that is. I also used another new item to my stash, and that was from Waffle Flower, this Inside Sentiment birthday stamp set, and I think I shared with you on a previous video, but I didn't use it, but I did use it on these cards today. And then also I picked up from, I forgot to share from Temu, this little cute die set, and I liked it because the scallop works really well on A2 card, and I used this scallop, and then the I think the square dotted, I think that one. And then I also used this vellum that I purchased from Pear Blossom Press site. And I haven't used vellum much in my card making, and I saw this and I thought it would be perfect. I went to the site to purchase this T-square ruler that Jennifer McGuire shared on her video. I think it was a couple of weeks ago, I think now. And this is super awesome. I can't wait to use it. I didn't use it on these cards, but I am going to use it in the near future. And then also from my stash, I used these Stamp Market enamel dots. I've shared these with you before. I got tons of them, so I'm trying to use them up. I also used from my stash this Jean Marie die set. I think I used the 3rd one in for the vellum on the cards die set. And then one of my favorites lately are my 3D embossing folders that I picked up from Spellbinders. It's all wrapped up, hands down the scallop, leafy, party spots, hand-drawn lines. And then this last one, this beauty, I don't know the name of this one. I threw the packaging away before I kept the name. You know, I put the name on it with my printer, sticker printer. I can't think of this, label maker. Sorry. And so if anyone out there knows the name of this, I've keyed E3D-031 in Spellbinders website, but it doesn't come up. So let me know if you know the name of that embossing folder. Appreciate it. So now let me share the cards with you. So I made 9 cards. So let me pull them out. They're all A2. And so first up, this really cute happy birthday card. And what I did was I cut the stickers to fit the card, you know, whatever piece of floral I wanted out. And then I have this piece of vellum, and then the next layer is scallop with the embossing folder. This is leafy. And then look how perfectly those stamps, were from the propagation garden sentiments. I think that's it. Yeah. How well they did. And then I have my little gems on there. Here's another birthday one. Super cute. And then this one, you know, has the greeting from Waffle Flower on the inside. And I put the scallop edged die on the end, you know, layer sheet on the inside. I thought that would make it super sweet. And here's another one, Thinking of You, blank inside. And I also used some foam to layer up the little square. I just thought it gave it a lot of dimension. And here's another happy birthday. Isn't it pretty? So colorful. And here's the blue one. And the reason why I use so many embossing folders is because when I got every time I get an embossing folder, I test it out to see how it looks. So I had all these samples and I thought I'd use them. This one's a little crooked, but it's okay. Thinking of You. Here's one that says, You Grow, Girl. That's so cute. This one says, Belief in Yourself. So I tried to find, you know, part of the sticker that had leaves on it. And then last but not least, this one that knows sentiment, just a little note card. So there are my 9 cards. When I saw these stickers, I just instantly wanted to make some cards, and I thought I'd try them out. Let me know what you think below. I thank you all for watching. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you are a current subscriber, you know, how about giving me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.